I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're having trouble reaching out to Vodafone support, follow these simple steps to get the help you need. Step 1. Visit the Vodafone website. Go to the official Vodafone website. Look for the Help with Support section, usually found at the bottom of the homepage. Step 2. Choose your issue. Select the category that best describes your problem, such as billing, network issues, or device support. This will help narrow down the options for contacting support. Step 3. Use the live chat feature. Look for the live chat option on the support page. This is often the quickest way to get in touch with a representative. Click the chat icon and wait for a response. Step 4. Call customer service. If live chat isn't available, find the customer service phone number on the website. Make sure to call during business hours for the best chance of getting through. Step 5. Use the Vodafone app. If you have the Vodafone app, you can also contact support directly through it. Look for the Contact Us option in the app menu. This is convenient if you're on the go. Remember, if you encounter any automated responses, don't hesitate to ask for a human representative. Good luck, and I hope you get the help you need.